In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Google Play gift card balance. Let's begin by opening your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. In the search bar, type in Google Play. It's important to go to the official Google Play website to ensure your information remains secure. Once you've typed Google Play into the search bar, hit Enter. You will see a list of results. Look for the official Google Play link. It should be at the top and typically includes google.com in the address. Clicking on the correct link is crucial because it directs you to the official site, ensuring that your personal data stays safe. Now that you are on the Google Play website, you may be prompted to log in. If so, enter your Google account credentials. This step is necessary because it ensures that you can access your personal account details and any linked services. With that done, scroll down the main page until you find the section labeled Gift Cards. This section is where you'll manage all aspects of your Google Play gift card, including checking the balance. Clicking on gift cards will take you to a page dedicated to these types of transactions. Next, type or paste your gift card code into the designated box and click Redeem. Make sure you enter the code accurately, as any mistakes can prevent the system from recognizing your card. This step is crucial because it activates the card and verifies its value against your account. After clicking Redeem, you will see the card value details displayed on the screen. Review these details carefully. It is essential to make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. If the details match your expectations, click Confirm to finalize the transfer of the gift card balance to your account. This final confirmation is important because it completes the process, allowing you to use your newly added balance for purchases on Google Play. You will see a confirmation message on the screen once the transaction is complete, reassuring you that the balance has been successfully added to your account. That's it! You've successfully checked and added your Google Play gift card balance. Remember, this balance can be used for apps, movies, games, and more, giving you a variety of options to explore. It's always good to double-check your balance before making a purchase to avoid any unexpected issues. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful in navigating your Google Play balance. Feel free to refer back to this video whenever you need a refresher. Enjoy exploring everything Google Play has to offer.